So in this video, I want to show you how you can get Grok for cheaper. Okay, a lot of you are complaining that Grok has become premium and the money is a bit high. For those who are in Nigeria, it's around 48,000 if you want to get the Grok directly with your card using Grok application. Okay, so we found a way to get it cheaper, and the way to get it cheaper is to have a Twitter account. That's your X account, formerly known as Twitter. Once you go to X and you create an X account, you can get Grok for cheaper. So how do you do it? This is my X account. If I want to get Grok, okay, this is my X account. You must sign up with your email or your phone number and be on X. So the moment you come to your X account, you click on premium. Okay, you click on this premium here. You know, X is the one that owns Grok. All right, it was designed by Elon Musk, so it's connected to each other, just like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram is connected. That's how they did it. So once you click on premium here, you will see the options. Okay, there are about 3 different options. This is basic, and it's just 3,000 naira. In dollar, that should be around $2 or so. Okay, then this premium, this is around 7,600 naira, and this can actually allow you to create a lot of videos and do a lot. Now the good thing about this is that if you do the basic, these are the things you will get: edit posts, longer posts, background video playback, download videos. You can do all of this, but you can't do Grok. All right, you can't do Grok, you can't be part of the creator group and all of that. But if you do the one of this 7,600 naira in Nigeria or 2 point something dollar in outside Nigeria, you'll be able to have this: edit posts, longer posts, background video playback, download videos. You will have Grok. Usage limit higher. Okay, you can tag Grok on your reply and all of that, but you can't have super Grok. And you can also do all of these things attached here. Okay, all these things you can do it once you pay this 7,000. So the beauty of it is that you can have Grok. Okay, then there's another one called Premium Plus, which is the Super Grok. This one will allow you to do everything. You can utilize all the features. It gives you opportunity to create unlimited videos. All right, on Grok, you can do unlimited AI video generation and the likes. Okay, I think this is the one that most people are paying directly from Grok for 48,000. So if you do it from your X account, which is formerly known as Twitter, you are likely going to get it at 38,000 cheap than that one we did in the Grok app that was 48,000. Okay, so because I already have my Grok premium, I won't be doing this. But if you want to do this, just what you need to do is just to click on this place where you have 7,600. Once you click on it, you see they show you where you can pay. So if you click on subscribe now, they will debit money from your Google card. All right, or that card you put on your phone in Google Play Store is what they would debit. I don't want to do that so that they don't debit me because I already have it. So they are going to debit this 7,600 naira every month. You know, the beauty of this is that you are going to get this blue icon. All right, like me now, once my Grok expires next month, I'm going to come back here and do it from here because I want to have that tick on my X account here. So the beauty of doing this premium package here is that you will now get that tick, that mark to show that you are a premium user of X account. So regardless of which one you do, you are going to get that tick on it. Okay, so if you want to do this, you just click on this 7 something, then click on subscribe and pay. Okay, you see your card will be showing here. You see if I click on it now, if I click on subscribe now, 7,600 will be debited from my account. Once that debit is done, now don't forget, if you are going to do the Premium Plus, which will allow you to use all the feature, you click on this place, they will debit 38,000 naira. If you are doing this one, they will debit 7,600. If you are doing this one, they will debit 3,000 naira from you. So depending on the one you want to do, then you click on it. Once you have paid, the next thing you want to do to have access to Grok, is to go straight to your Grok. Open your Grok. Okay, you open your Grok. This is Grok. Once you open Grok, you will see where they say sign up. Are you seeing it here? You will see where they say sign up. If you have an account already, probably you log out and try to sign up. All right, then you will see these three features. You will see sign up with, continue with Google, continue with email, continue with X. You click on continue with X, then they will ask you to verify, to authenticate. All right, once you click on continue with X, they will ask you to verify. You see, they're asking you to select X, so they will take you to your X account, then you verify that it is you. Then before you know it, you can now sign up and use Grok. All right, so that's how simple it is. Before you come to Grok, don't forget you go to your X account, sign up there, pay the money there, then come here and click on S, continue with X. All right, once you click on it, they will take you to your X account, and then you verify that you have signed up, and then you have access to Grok for that amount that you paid. It's cheaper here. Okay, all right, I'll see you in the next video.